Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. This is a bit of an older design and just a random writing prompt that I worked with, and it says the word lost in the word emptiness and was trying to kind of get the idea of lost in the emptiness. Anyway, the script uses a combination of these four letter stems with either dots or lines to make the consonant. So this is an L because it is a circle inside the word circle as its letter stem, and it's got 3 dot modifiers. So this row plus that column equals the L. And then vowels are these little guys. So there's the O, there's the E, there's the I, there's the other E. And these vowels can either be by themselves, like that like that O in lost, or they can be with a consonant. So this is the T and I together. So this one letter is the TI and this one letter is the NE because it's got a consonant with a vowel on it. Anyway, let's go ahead and get to reading this design. So the word lost is the white word here, and it has 1, 2, 3 dots on this L. And then the O is actually attached to the L. When an O is attached, it looks kind of like this. I have caps lock on. Why does the O not want to attach? What? Weird. Well, okay, there's an O attached to a T. Maybe O's just don't want to attach to the J stems in this font version. Anyway, so it looks like this circle on the line of the word circle, which is an O, like a beat on a string. So like that guy there, that's our O on the L. And then an S and a T are the same letter stem. They're both shallow divots. So that means we're in this row. And because they're in the same row, you can stack them. And when you stack letters, you read thin to thick. So this thin line has 1, 2, 3 modifiers on it. So that'd be the S. And this thick line doesn't have anything ending on it. So that's T. So this is the word lost. And then this word, starting at the bottom, we have the E on the line of the word circle. Then we continue around to all this jazz. So this ring is just part of a line modifier. That comes from this I. But here we have another letter stack. There's a thin one. And this thin one has 1, 2, 3 lines ending on it. So 1, 2, 3 lines makes it an M. And this thick one here has 1, 2 lines ending on it. So that would be the P. And then we have the TI, shallow divot with the I in the middle. And then we have the N with 1 line on it here, and then the E inside it. And then we have another double letter. This here is a double line, so it's a double letter. And I did include all 6 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this double S. So yeah, I really only needed 3, but I wanted to make this shape. So this is a bit of a trickier design to read. I didn't make it for legibility, I made it for art and stuff. So yeah, we have lost in the emptiness. So yeah, that's that design. I hope you like it.